Okay, so I just took a few minutes, probably about 15, and I have cleaned out the bed of leaves, pretty much, you know. So starting down on here, which is the north side, the very north corner, and the wall actually is on the west. So I still got some onions, which of course, marigolds, which I'm going to reseed, whatever that plant was, I think it's seed. Here's my cabbage, purple cabbage. I have a turnip. Look at that, my first turnip. That was broccoli, but you can see a little broccoli head. Uh, some kind of cabbage, lettuce, more onions. Like I said, this was the Malabar spinach. That was the borage. It's completely dead now. That's fine. I believe that's the Brussels sprout right there. Pak choy, other vegetables, uh, cabbage. Oh no, okay, that's the Brussels sprouts right here. A purple Brussels sprout, and that's the green Brussels sprouts. That's sage here, cabbage, another pepper, and this is, what does that say? Um, Broccoli. All right, so this is the bed that I'm gonna be using this year. Pretty much all I'm gonna plant is gonna be in here.